there. So thank you all, and thank you Ajit sir and ma'am for being a part of our seminar session. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir. It was very nice presentation. Your slides are very, very nice and informative. Then, based on this, your talk, it's time to find out who am I. Then we all should be creative, and we should more bother about our students, and we should keep in touch with them by all means through social media. Then we have every challenge should be an opportunity to get new things. So this would we would take it as a new opportunity for teaching community. This floor is open to discussion. Anybody can ask questions directly or write it in chat box.
So you can write it in the chat box, and the ma'am can ask me. Ma'am,
Okay.
please
Okay.
write it in the chat box, and ma'am, you can ask me. Okay. So one more thing, all of you dear friends, I will put that PowerPoint video in our in my YouTube channel, and we will share that link to your that Telegram group. So afternoon you will get the entire PowerPoint the slide. So many questions are, I think they came from regarding the PowerPoint slides. I will give you the PowerPoint slide, and I'll give you the link of getting the PowerPoint slide also. So you'll get in Telegram, or you can send a mail to me. I will send you it back. Okay. Okay, man.
Okay, sir.
You
Then
have any questions? You can ask. Okay.
anybody have any questions? This is question answer session. The floor is open to participants.
There's a question typed by Deepa Sajesh.
Okay.
Tansi ma'am, please read.
Okay. One question from Deba ma'am. The question is, so you said that Maslow's theory has impacted other psychologists and contributed to the field of positive psychology. Sir, can you explain the contributions of Maslow's theory in the field of positive psychology?
Yes, Maslow's theory is one of the important one that will be influenced by so many people, especially theory X and theory Y. That will be created by the concept of self-actualization needs. So we can say that that is actually what are the things that you are doing in our real life situation is purely based on the requirements of needs. So other theories like Herzberg's two-factorial theory, hygiene factors, and the positive motivation. So there will be so many comparisons. Maslow's with the Herzberg's two-factorial theory. So another one is Maslow's with the ERG theory. So many comparisons. You can look at the comparison in the textbooks and also in the online platform. So that is why most of the theories have an influence for the Maslow's need hierarchy theory. Even after after a long period of time, Maslow has created this theory. It has its own relevant importance because of this particular situation. So all the theories. So self-actualization actually based on which we can formulate a theory X and theory Y, and another one, there will be comparison on the part of Maslow's with the other theories also. So it is important for a Maslow's theory to be one of the unique theories that has been developed in case of a patient. So it is very important, and it is an interdisciplinary also. You can apply the theory in all the areas like psychology. You can use in management. You can use in science also. So in commerce also its application is there, so it's very good one. So you can, this actually is a very interactive, so very informative, and you have a that is importance in our real life situation.
Okay, thank you, sir. Next question is coming from Anishwara PA. Question is, how can we motivate people whose businesses have suffered huge losses and are nearing shutdown point due to COVID-19?
So motivation is one of the essential thing that we can do. So during the COVID-19, a lot of people, they are going to suffer and facing huge losses. Maybe it is a reality. So what we can do as an individual, we can do anything because it is a part of government that we can do certain things like some tax holidays or some type of tax exemptions, or some type of capital assistance, etc., that we can give them for a motivating to make their business in a successful manner. So it is one of the problems that we are seeing after the COVID-19 period. Maybe you are making some plans. You can't make a plan for a long period of time. So even some of the industry, they are making plan long. There is time planning. We don't know what exactly going to happen after this. So we can make a short-term plan for a period of 3 months, 6 months, or up to 9 months. So we can plan like that. Then you can contact government and government agencies. And if, in my opinion, government has to give some sort of financial assistance for the support and assistance of this type of industries.
Okay, sir. Then participants all are requested to fill up the feedback form for e-certificate. E-certificate will be distributed within 1 week. Then the feedback form link is you can see from our chat box. Sir, next question is from Srimoy Bhattacharya.
Okay.
Can meditation and yoga fulfill the self-actual needs in this situation?
I'm not fully agreeing with one. So actually, mental health is the most important thing of a human life. So self-actualization, that will be some sort of, in case of the spirituality, if you are become the saint, you can't say that your self-actualization fully satisfied. So it is depends upon the person. So if you are self-actualized with your yoga and meditation, it is okay, but say that is not fully our basic. I have an opinion that yoga and meditation are our basic needs, because if you want to be healthy and be yoga and meditation will help you. So it is an essential basic, not for a self-actualization also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is our basic need to be safe,
Yes.
healthy. Okay, sir.
Healthy.
Next question is from Vinay Vishwam.
What is it? Yes.
Question is, we have studied so many assumptions regarding Maslow's theory. What are the relevance of those assumptions in this crisis situation?
So that is what we have discussed right now, ma'am. That is relevance of Maslow's theory. We have mentioned each and every points. And sir, I will give you the slide afternoon. So you can go through that slides. It is there. The entire thing is there in the slide. So it is very important, very relevant. I was classified in the normal cases and academic cases also, how it will be affecting students. So you can just go through that, sir.
Okay,
I'll give you the entire slides afternoon. Okay.
Then one last question is coming from Jasni. How can we touch the cognitive domain of the students while the time of online teaching?
So actually, that is a big question that we are seeing right now. But somewhere it is, somewhere something it is lacking, what I feel. Because even I am taking online classes, I have attended so many online lectures and other things. So it is just like a two-way communication is there. But only by looking into the camera that we are taking the classes and all. So what exactly happening, and there is no live interaction with that one. So somewhere it is lacking. But during this time, this is actually an alternative solution for our academic community. So it is okay. We can use it for this particular time period. So even in foreign universities and all, they are using these technologies. Even IIMs and all they are using. Maybe this is a good symptom that we can try. We can also practice the things like that. So that is why we got an opportunity for conducting a webinar like this. So everything have a positive impact. Everything what is happening in our life has a positive impact. You take it in that sense. So students are also get benefited, definitely. It will be like that.
Okay. One question is missed. That question is from Raja Mohan. Is the need of hierarchy theory change in the present situation?
Yes, definitely. The need will be changing from person to person. If I'm a teacher, my need will be based on what is my profession, what are the things. Of course, what I have seen is the need of a person is purely based on his ambition, abilities, and all that things. And one of the another factor what I've seen is career path is one of the factor that will be influencing the need. So as when I'm here, I was there in a career path or track. I'm trying to be the next higher position, next higher position. So when I'm retired, I'll be like this. So after retirement, I can do so many. If I'm doing this much things during my service period, I can do so many other things during after retirement. So this is one of the important things that will be career path is one of the important things that will be influencing most of the people. They are doing things in a systematic manner. So I feel so. What we are seeing is like what is our personal experiences, our own thinking, the way that you are communicating, the way that you are telling. So how will you get the information? How will you doing certain things? Even what I was seeing, yesterday I was seeing a beautiful photo of what will be the equation of a success. I was shared that photo in my Facebook also. So I have seen the photo. There is a water and there is a mountain on top of the water. So around 80% of the mountain is underwater, just showing the top of the particular mountain. So that giving a message that you are having so much struggles. You are having so much struggle, so many neglection from the part of the people. You have suffered a lot of things. After that only you will become a success. You are reaching that particular success point. So that is one of the important things that is in your human life. You are doing so many things creatively. You are doing